So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Canadian Pacific Railway stock, ticker symbol CP in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple Trade open up on your device, go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass icon. Then once you're on the Discover page, go to the search bar at the top and type in ticker symbol CP. For Canadian Pacific Railway. So as you can tell, the top option here, Canadian Pacific Kansas City Limited, press on that and then press on buy at the bottom. Type in the amount of money you wish to invest into Canadian Pacific Railway. So I will just do $1 for this demonstration. Now, if you want the changes as well from a fractional buy to something else, press on fractional buy at the top. Then you can select limit buy, stop limit buy, recurring buy, or market buy, whatever you guys want. But once that is done, press on continue. And pretty simple, just press the confirm order once again, and there you go. That is how to buy Canadian Pacific Railway stock, ticker symbol CP in Canada. I hope this video helps. Also too, this obviously is on Wealthsimple.